right, back here on Patrick's 66 T-Bird. I have our camshaft retainer plate installed, ready to go. Going to put our dowel pin in, which I already had in there once. And we have our cam gear. That way we can locate our camshaft. Get on there, baby. Just like that. I'll get our cam located where we need to be. And I am going to install the cam 4 degrees advanced because it's going to be a street motor. We want our power down low on the bottom end. So we will be taking care of that. So I'll put our crank gear on here for 4 advanced, which is right there. All right. Cam timing is aligned. We're now going to put our chain on, get everything on there, get our fuel pump eccentric on, get our bolt in, and we will have that set. And then Monday, I can get ready to measure for push rod lengths. I just had to finish cleaning some items first. Right. We've got everything locked down just so we can set our valve timing and verify all of that. I do need to get a slightly longer dowel pin for the fuel pump eccentric, but I have everything torqued down for now. It's not going to stay like that. Let's not freak out. It's just like that. So we can check lift, push rod length, etc., etc., etc. So we'll take care of that, but it's looking good. Timing set is on and done. And I am out of here.